Hey besties, welcome to Christy Hub, your #1 space for education, motivation, crypto trading, graphic design, photo editing, video editing, and making money online, all with just your smartphone.
Whether you're a student, hustler, or future boss, this channel is here to equip and inspire you with real skills that change your life. So hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Christy Hub, a place where learning meets with creativity.
You can access Veo from any part of the world, in as far you have a Google account, Gmail account. So you don't necessarily need a dollar account to access Veo. So you can simply access Veo with your Naira card. If you are in Nigeria and in other African countries, you can access Veo without using a VPN. So let's dive into this. You go to your Chrome browser, you type in Veo, Google Veo, this is it. Type in Google Veo. Let's use DeepMind, this one in accessing it. Let's use this. So when you click on it, this is how it will open. Then you click on try in flow. You can use Gemini. You can try in Gemini, but I want to try in flow. So you click on try in flow. Then you click on create with flow. For you to access this Veo, you need to subscribe. For a beginner like you, you'll be asked to subscribe. Click on subscribe. Click on subscribe. Then click on get Google AI Pro. Click on agree. And you'll be asked to input your card details. Click on add card. So input your 16-digit PIN card. You can use MasterCard. You can use MasterCard, Visa. Then input the month the card will expire and the year. Then the 3-digit number at the back of the card, which is the CVC, cardholder name. The card should have an address. Then you save it. Once you save it, it will be accepted. Once it is saved, it will now ask you to subscribe. And once you click on subscribe, it will tell you subscription successful. And you can go ahead and start creating your video. This is how the interface will look like. You just click on new project. Click on new project. Then this icon, let it be on text to video, and you click on this icon. Output per should be 1, and your model should be Veo fast or Veo quality. So I'll be using Veo fast. Tap it again. Then you input your prompt. So you can just go to ChatGPT or Gemini. Tell it to create a prompt suitable for what you want to create. So we'll be creating a intro video for our YouTube channel, Christy's Hub. This is my prompt. I said create an intro video for a YouTube channel called Christy's Hub that is into educational, motivational, crypto trading, graphic design, photo editing, video editing, making money online, and lots more. So only AI can do it better for you in prompt creation. So once your prompt is being created, you copy the prompt, because you can only create a second video using the Veo, except you subscribe to a higher subscription like the Ultra Pro. So you copy the prompt. After you copy it, You take it back to your tree and go paste your prompt. Make sure your settings are in place when you paste it. So we'll be copying and pasting the prompt line by line or paragraph by paragraph, so we'll be able to get a complete video. Since we are only permitted to create a seconds video, our prompt can't be too long. Then you click on this enter icon to create your video. Allow the timer to finish counting to 100 so that your video can be fully created. So our video has been created. Let's play it.
Hey there, welcome to Chris Space, where education.
Which click on this download icon. Click on the download icon, choose original size, and it will be downloaded to your device. It has been downloaded. So that is the first part of the prompt. We stopped here with just your smartphone. So for this other part, we'll just copy the next line of the prompt. Whether you stop in another full stop so that your video will not be more than 8 seconds. So you bring it in to add to the first one. Click here. Click on this icon. Then you just write at the beginning using same confident Nigerian woman. She says, so she's done with this part. So we just remove it. And cut it out. Then we'll now go and bring the next prompt you will see. From this weather, copy it and stop here. Copy it and paste it there. Then once you've pasted it, you just click on this enter icon to send it, and your video will be created with your model saying the rest part of the prompt. So when you're done with this part of the question, this is what we created here. This is the video here.
Whether you're a student, hustler, or future boss, this channel is here to equip and inspire you with real skills that change your life.
When you're done with that part, you go again, edit it. You copy this part that says, so hit that subscribe button and let's go together. Christy's Hub, a place where learning meets with creativity. You copy that last part again. Take it to View 3. Edit the prompt using same image. From here, this weather that she has created, you cut it off, then you paste the next line she is to say until you finish creating all the videos for that particular video intro. And this is the end part of the video we created.
So hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Christy Hub, a place where learning meets with creativity.
You continue to add up the prompt to your model on for what she will say, so that you'll be able to get a consistent, steady creation. So this is simply how to use the Veo 3 in creating Harvard video using ChatGPT or Gemini to get your prompt. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel,
So hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Christy Hub, a place where learning meets with creativity.
Yes, you need to subscribe because we have a lot to learn together on this channel, and I believe you really learned a lot from this video. Give me a nice comment. Let me know your thought concerning this video. If you really find value watching this video, hit the share button to share with family and friends, and hit the like button to like this video so others can see this video. Thank you very much. See you in our next video.